I'll be teaching you the 7th class of our first part of war drum. The first line is Yo zo, 一二三四五六七，哒左右起。Yo is when you hit with the right hand. Zo is when you hit with the left hand. And da is when you hit on the right side of the rim. And after it's chi. Chi is on the drum. But before that, you have to make circle with both hands while doing chi. And your right hand must be on this position while squatting down a little bit. Now let's try it on the drum using the speed of 100. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's increase the speed to 120. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. The second line is Yo zo, yo chi, yo zo, zo yo, chi, yo. The first chi, you hit with your left hand on the drum, while your right hand is slant facing to the right side. The second chi, yo, you cross your hands while moving your body to your right side and facing to the left, and you play yo. Now let's try it on the drum using the speed of 100. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's increase the speed to 120. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that we already learned the first and the second line, let's try to learn them using the speed of 100. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's increase the speed to 120. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of our 7th class of war drum. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit the like button.